when you're cleaning a car and you're deciding to do a review for your new big boy pressure washer, and then it breaks on you without warning. Weird because this is only the third time I used it. Big boy are always going on and on about water flow. I didn't know this is what they meant. This is the fourth piece of big boy equipment that has broken on me. From now on, I'll stick to more reputable brands, like Karcher, Kranzel, King-Chrome, DeWalt. Heck, even the $50 Azido is more reliable than the big boy. In my opinion, big boy make the most unreliable equipment in the detailing industry. Even the carpet extractor leaks water. I will never buy their products again.